Hi, I'm Shumei, and today I'm going to do the statement of class. And my statement is a way to make my shots more beautiful. In the class is MPT 159, and my instructor is Kenneth Farrell. So there are three ways to make shots more beautiful. The first way is manage the camera in appropriate ISO and aperture to make a great exposure. And the second way is to selecting appropriate shots when when you're filming. And the third way is using different light to make the shot more texture. So let's talk about the first way. Manage your camera in appropriate ISO and aperture to make a great exposure. And the exposure is determined by three key elements. They are aperture, ISO, and frame rate. The aperture is how the larger the aperture, the more light can get into the lens. And the ISO is how sensitive of the light. And the frame rate is FPS, and it always is about 24 FPS. So we usually use a small technical machine called emitter to record how exposure of light, and we always keep the exposure of 2.8. So but when we shot indoor, the light in the room is much darker than the light outside, so we always make the aperture larger and make the ISO uh, lower in the indoor. And we shot outdoor, the light is really bright, so we always change the ISO to a large number, to a low number, and make the aperture smaller, so we will get appropriate light and exposure of the shots. And the second way is selecting appropriate shot when I'm filming. So there are 8 basic shots. They are establishing shots, they are master shots, they are of the shoulder and reverse of the shoulder and close up, reverse close up, and cutaway, and insert shot. So we use these 8 basic shots to film, and we need to select appropriate shot when we film. And for a cinema photographer, we usually use establishing shot to show the location of the actors and show the scenes, what the scenes looks like. And we use over the shoulder to shoot actors' dialogue, and we use close up to emphasize the actors their emotional change. And always we use insert shot to show some details of the scenes, like the clock and the watch, and something like the nose. For example, the actor is write something, so we get an insert shot to show what he is writing. And we always get uh, and we use the cutaway shot to show something happened in the same time, or to jump in another place, like show the character's memories, and we use it of the cutaway shot. And the third way is using different light to make the shot more texture. So there are 3 basic lights. They are key light, fill light, and backlight. The key light is the main light of the scenes and of the shot. And for example, when we shot outdoor, and the main light or the key light is the sunshine, and the fill light is some light can make the actor or make the object more texture, like reflect light. It's usually not a right light. It's not usually true light. That means we can use some reflection light, like we put the key light in one side of the characters, and on the other side of characters we can use reflect broad to reflect light and to make the face the actor's face more texture and more beautiful. So, and the backlight is light goes from behind the actor, and it can separate the actor from the background. So this is the three ways to make my shot more beautiful. And the three ways to make the shot more beautiful. The first way is manage the camera in appropriate ISO and aperture to make a great exposure. And the second way is selecting appropriate shots when I'm filming. And the third way is to using different light to make the shot more texture. Thank you very much.